Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lian Duan. I have been a developer for over 20 years. I focus on DevOps and security in the cloud. In the video, we'll cover AWS Budget Alert concept. What is different between AWS Budget Alert and Billing Alert? Why we need AWS Budget Alert with free tier account, and hands-on demo, create and edit an AWS Budget Alert. The video ready to markdown file is in my GitHub. The link is below. Let's start. First topic, what is AWS Budget Alert? AWS Budget is a feature of AWS that allows us to set up customer budgets for AWS usage and costs. We can use AWS Budget to set alerts for when our actual costs or usage exceed, or forecast to exceed our budget amount. In my demo, I'll be setting a budget amount and alert threshold as 1 cent. I should be received an alert email when my costs exceed the threshold. You may have a question, what's the difference between AWS Budget Alert and Billing Alert? We move to next topic to answer your question. AWS Billing Alert and Budget Alert can send alert notifications when our charges reach a certain threshold, but they cannot stop all services after reaching a certain threshold. AWS Budget Alert is able to configure action after reach a certain threshold, such as stop EC2 instance or database. AWS Billing Alert cannot do it. AWS Budget Alert is more powerful and flexible. Billing alarms are per count only and monthly only based on our AWS spending. Budget Alert is on the other hand, it can be set warning based on forecasted spend for a month, quarter, or year, and can be tracked against different dimensions, such as a group of linked accounts, specified tags, or services. After we know difference between the AWS Budget Alert and the Billing Alert, if I'm on free tier count, do I still need a Budget Alert? The answer is yes, because if your usage is over the free tier's limited, you have to pay. Also, free tier account doesn't cover all services, such as Kubernetes and Fargate do not include. Next topic is hands-on demo. I'll show how to set up AWS Budget Alert in my hands-on demo with free tier account. There are 2 demo goals. First goal is I will create an AWS Budget Alert. I'm going to receive an alert email after I set up the Budget Alert. The email content as a screenshot. Second goal is I'll edit an existing Budget Alert to add a forecasting alert. Open the AWS page, log in as root user. In services area, search budget. Click AWS budgets. In the left side navigation menu, select budgets and then click the button, create a budget. Budget setup, we use simplify template. Since I'm in the free tiers account, select zero spend budget. Button name change to Lian, zero spend budget. Email recipients, input the email address, click create budget. Open my budget. Alert already created because in January 2023 already spent 3 cents. My threshold is 1 cent. I should receive an alert email. Switch to my email and refresh. You see, I received the alert email. The content same as my screenshot in the markdown file. We move to next demo. Let me change the alert to set forecasting. Back to the alert list, select alert. In actions drop-down menu, select edit. Set budget amount still monthly. Same budgeted amount. Go to next page. Increase threshold from 1 cent to 10 cents. And add second threshold. For the forecast, when we reach to the 50% budget, trigger change to forecasted. Same email address. Next. Save. The budget. Lien 0 spent budget. Add to second forecast alert. All topics are completed. Today demo. Create an AWS Budget Alert and edit it. If you have any questions, please post them in comment below. I'll try to answer. Thank you and see you in the next video.